Hey, if you're already a Forex trader or you're just starting to get into it, then maybe you've heard a lot of people say that Forex trading is a scam. And no, it isn't always. But here are 5 reasons why Forex is often considered a scam. So let's get started. Reason number 1 is scam brokers. Unlike the stock market, Forex trading, to be honest, is largely unregulated. That means that there's tons of possible frauds and scam brokers out there who will take advantage of any inexperienced trader. But not to worry, there are multiple ways to stop that, and stay tuned for that upcoming video on that. Reason number 2 is overhyped promises. Listen out for those. Some Forex traders, they promise overnight riches or guarantees of huge success rates, and that's often a fake ad. They might exaggerate their profits or use fake testimonies to build trust. No investment is a sure thing, and there is no exception. Reason number 3 is it's highly addictive. Forex trading can be really addictive, especially if you start both winning and losing. When you start to trade with your emotions, it could cause a quick spiral and wipe out your entire account.
Oh no!
In fact, studies have shown that up to 90% of Forex traders lose their money, and some trade with emotions over judgment. It's easy for scam brokers to manipulate you by giving you false signals and taking your money. Reason number 4 is the unpredictable market. Forex trading is a high-risk investment. It's an unstable market to begin with. It can be influenced by multiple factors, from politics to natural disasters. It's essential to have the insights into this market, knowing that it's not a game, you're playing with money, and it ain't for the faint heart. Reason number 5 is the lack of education. Forex trading requires a good understanding of economics and the global market. It also involves a lot of technical analysis and chart reading. Without proper education, traders are more likely to fall for scams and lose their money from it. So there you have it, the top 5 reasons why Forex is often considered a scam. But hey, don't let that discourage you from investing in Forex. With proper research and education, Forex can actually be a great investment opportunity. But what you're going to do is stay safe out there, traders.